The real advantage is not just using AI to create something random. The advantage is knowing how to use AI with the right workflow, from designing the product to preparing it for sale to turning it into a physical item. Traditionally, starting an online store meant learning design skills, creating product mockups, figuring out how to present your product, and worrying about inventory, printing, packaging, and shipping. But today, that process can be much simpler. With a design platform like Kittl, you can create professional-looking designs even without advanced design experience. And with a print-on-demand platform like Printify, you can turn that same design into physical products without holding inventory or managing fulfillment yourself. So in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to use Kittl to create a high-demand design, make it print-ready, and then use Printify to turn it into a physical print-on-demand product you can sell online. Before you jump into creating any design, the first thing you need to do is understand what people are actually buying, because one of the biggest mistakes new sellers make is opening a design tool, creating something they personally like, and then hoping customers will want it. But if you want to create a design that has a better chance of getting attention, you need validation first. And one of the easiest places to do that is Etsy. Etsy gives you a real view of what buyers are already searching for, what styles are getting attention, and what types of products are performing well. So before I open Kittl, I like to start by searching for the niche I'm interested in. One of the categories I prefer the most is Clipart, because Clipart can be applied to different products. After searching for the niche, I want my search results to focus only on products with the best-selling tag. To do this, I click on the filter, scroll down to Etsy's best, and select star seller. Then I go to the URL of the page and change star to best. As a result, I can now focus on the products tagged as bestseller. One of the tricks I use to find the ones that are still performing well is installing the Allura extension. This shows an icon on each product, so I can easily get insights into how they are performing, from monthly revenue to total revenue. Now I can simply click on this icon to see which Clipart search results are performing well in total revenue or monthly revenue, and use them as inspiration to create my own design. For example, this design called Honeybee Garden Clipart has been performing well over time, and looking at the reviews shows that people really love the design. Now, before we jump into creating this design, know that you can also apply this same design to a white label product. This approach helps you attract both digital and physical product buyers without losing any customers. And the best part about physical products is that you only need to create the design once, while a platform like Printify takes care of the rest. With a platform like Printify, selling physical products has never been easier. Printify offers a wide range of popular white label products you can effortlessly print your designs on. It also integrates directly with popular online stores, and with the Printify AI model, you can easily generate searchable product information. Once your design is uploaded, it will automatically be listed on your store. And when a customer makes a purchase, Printify takes care of both printing and shipping, all without you lifting a finger. Now, in order to create this design using AI, you will need an AI platform that not only assists you in create this design, but also help in the mockup, the thumbnail video, and a UGC-style video you can use for your product. And that's where Kittl comes in. Kittl provides a single workflow where you can create all your listing assets in one place, from thumbnails and mockups to full listing videos. You can use ready-made templates to quickly design listing covers, then reuse those designs across multiple products to keep your store consistent. Instead of thinking of how to starting from scratch each time, you're building a system you can scale. What really stands out is how easy it is to create videos. With Kittl, you don't need to film anything. You can turn your design into a short, engaging listing video using built-in templates and simple animations. In just a few steps, you go from a static image to a dynamic visual that naturally attracts more attention while customers are browsing. When you combine this with their mockup library and remix features, you can quickly generate different product visuals without needing a photo shoot or advanced editing skills. So instead of spending hours creating assets for each listing, you now have a faster way to produce professional visuals that help your product stand out. If you'd like to follow along, I've added a link in the description. Now, to start creating this design in Kittl, I will start a new project and choose a 1:1 aspect ratio. I also made sure that 300 dpi was turned on. Once I was inside the editor, it was time to create the design. To begin, I took a screenshot of a design that was performing well on Etsy so I could use it as a guide for my own design. After uploading it into Kittl, I clicked on the arrow icon and selected AI image board. To generate the design, I used Nano Banana. Then I pasted my prompt, selected the aspect ratio I wanted, and generated the image. After that, I selected the generated image and converted it into an image. Then I right-clicked and selected Add New Artboard before dragging the design into the artboard. Now I can select the artboard with the design, choose mockup, and easily select the mockup design I want. After all of this, we need to create a video for our design. To do this, I selected both the mockup and the design, then chose AI video. I made sure it was using CDance 2.0, set the aspect ratio, and I pasted my video prompt and I generated the video.
Let's style this with me. Watch this glow up, adjusting for the perfect fit. Vibe check, nailed it.
Now you can see how easy it is to create and set up your listing design in one platform without stress. Once everything is ready, you can export your design. I was also able to create 100 prompts that will help you create this type of design, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now to make your design print ready, you upload your design to Printify. First, make sure your Etsy store is connected. Then select the white label product you would like to use. Apply your artwork and fit it properly into the frame. After this, Printify will automatically generate a structured title, description, and tags to help improve visibility. Once everything is set, you can publish your listing. If you found this helpful, you can check the description for my prompt list. It can save you a lot of time when creating designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.